everyone, welcome to my channel. This video is about the Python program to generate Fibonacci series. A Fibonacci series is something that starts from 0 and 1. And the next element is the sum of the previous two elements, that is 0 and 1, which is equal to 1. And next one is 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. Like this, the series goes on up to nth term. So I am going to get the maximum range in the variable n. And then I'm going to create two variables and then a for loop which starts from 1 and ends till n plus 1. Okay, then I'm going to print a. Then I'm going to add the previous two element a plus b, and then I'm going to swap them. So let's run and see. I'm going to give us 4. Yeah, 0. 0 plus 1 is 0 and 1 plus 1 is 2. And let's give some other value like 6. Yeah, 0 and 1 is default 1 and 1 plus 1 2 and 2 plus 3 5. Yes, the answer is correct. Thank you.